Hello guys, how are you doing? I am Ashi and it is new episode of Clean Code Developers. Knowing shortcuts can help you achieve better performance when using a tool like a software development environment. I would like to introduce you to some useful shortcuts for vscode. So, let's get started. The first shortcut is move line up and down by using alt arrow up and arrow down, like the instance I want to show you now. The next shortcut is delete current line by using Ctrl Shift D. As simple as I showed you. The next shortcut is insert cursor in different points by using alt click like this. It is useful when you want to change different lines with the same value, same exact value. For example, you want to delete all of these and replace with another value like value, but it is just for testing and we don't want to change anything now, so let's go for next one. The next one is insert cursor in end of each selected line. It is useful when you want to change something in all your selected lines, in end of all your selected lines, by using Shift Alt I. As you can see, I can select based on everything I had, and now you can change the values you want. The next shortcut is expand cursor or selection to previous or next lines by using Ctrl Alt arrow up arrow down. That the functionality is exactly same as previous ones, that you can select the lines that different values and change them in one action. For example, if I do this and then pressing Ctrl Alt arrow up, it will select exactly in the same point, and if I go down by arrow down, it will be same. The next shortcut is listing defined sections in a file, your current file that's open in your tab, by using Ctrl Shift O. If you can see, we have app and default sections in this file, and when I click on app, it will go on the point of the definition of app block. Next shortcut is close current editor tab by using Ctrl W, and also reopen closed editor tab using Ctrl Shift T. Next shortcut is moving between editor tabs, open editor tabs by using Ctrl page down and page up. The next shortcut is zoom in out by using Ctrl minus equal, like this I showing you. The next three shortcuts are related to each other. The first one is show hide side menu by using Ctrl B. The next one is show file tree explorer by Ctrl Shift E. And the next one is show site global search by using Ctrl Shift F. The next shortcut is access to command palette by using F1. In this palette you can reload a whole window or enter several other commands you want to use here, like check the format selection for your files that it contains, select the format tool for each one of your files like TSX, TS, CSS. Each one is different for this part. The next shortcut is go to object definition by Control click or pressing F12 like this. As you can see, it shows the definition of the object I used, but it is part of a library that's installed in our project, so that shows only the definition. As I mentioned, you can use F12 also, that you go to the definition by pressing F12 or Control click. I hope this episode would be useful for you. See you in next episode. Clean Code Developers.